Hello students, today we will discuss exercise of the chapter 7th, The Adventure. In this chapter, this story is about Professor Gaitondeji, historian. He is going to give a lecture on the implications of the catastrophe theory. और वो दूसरी बात बताते हैं theory in the third battle of Panipat. On the way, his car collides with a truck and he goes into a coma. और उनकी जो गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट है वो हो जाता है और वो ट्रक से टकरा जाने की वजह से कोमा में रहते हैं और वो वही सोचते हैं. तो चलिए इसकी एक्सरसाइज है वो देखते हैं. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे ट्रू एंड फॉल्स है. First, hey, the story is an account of real events. It is false. The theory hinges on a particular historical event. It is true. Rajendra Deshpande was historian. It is false. Historian कौन थे? प्रोफेसर थे. Fourth, the place mentions in the story are all imaginary. Fourth, false. Last है, the story tries to relate history to science. It is true. Question answer. Briefly explain. First है, you neither travel to the past nor the future. You were in the present, experience a different world. Answer is, this statement was said by Rajendra to Professor Gaitonde. इसको गाइटोंडे भी बोल सकते हैं. He made a transitions from one world to another and back again. By making a transitions, he was able to experience two worlds, all those one at a time. He neither traveled to the past nor to future. He was in the present but experienced a different world. In this question, author told about another world कि जो प्रोफेसर है वो दूसरे वर्ल्ड में जाके आए हैं. उन्होंने दूसरे एक डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड का एक्सपीरियंस है वो लिया है. Next, you have passed through a fantastic experience, or more correctly, a catastrophic experience. The statement was made by Rajendra to Professor Gaitonde in the text The Adventure by Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. It is written by Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. गंगाधर हैड, ये गंगाधर उनका पूरा नाम था, प्रोफेसर गायतोंदे का ही. Had passed through a strange experience. He had the experience of living in two worlds. One he lived in now and other where he had spent 2 days. यहाँ पे दो वर्ड को डिस्क्राइब किया है. थर्ड है, गंगाधर could not help comparing the country he knew with what he was with easing around him. Answer. Gangadhar Pant knew India, which had seen the decline of Peshwas and experienced the slavery of British. But the India has seen in 2 days was completely different. It had not been subjected to slavery from the white man. It was self-dependent and enjoyed self-respect. He compared the two countries, the one that he knew already and other that he was with around him. Both the different histories. दोनों अलग अलग हिस्ट्रीज उसने रीड की और सीन की. Question 4. The lack of determinism in quantum theory. Professor Gaitonde had decided to go to a big library at Bombay and browse through history books. Quantum theory, energy-based theory. Then he would find out how the present state of affairs was reached on his return to Pune. He would have a long talk with Rajendra Deshpande. He hoped that Rajendra would help him understand what had happened. In this question, Rajendra and Professor Gaitonde talked about each other when he was on the way return to Pune. Next question है, you need some interactions to cause a transition. This Bombay was under the British Raj and Anglo-Indian in uniform checked permits. Each of the blue carriers of GBMR, GBMR की full form हमने lesson में भी read की थी, had the tiny Union Jack painted on it. The Victoria term is station very neat and clean. The staff was mostly of Anglo-Indians and Parsis. Fill in the blanks vocabulary. In this bracket, these are words. Character sketches. Alive, restaurant, unaccepted, riddle politely, and guarantee and concern. This was a blow, not totally. तो इसमें आएगा unaccepted. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है if he himself were dead in this world. नेक्स्ट में नंबर 2 यहाँ पे फिल करना है what after what guarantee. Had he that his son would be alive, indeed he may not even have been born politely. थर्ड में यहाँ पे आएगा alive and fourth is politely. He thanked the girl politely and came out. It was fifth character sketch of him not to worry about where he would stay. His main sixth is conscience was to make his way to the library of ascetic society to solve the seventh riddle of history. Grabbing a quick lunch at a 8 restaurant, he made his way to the town hall. These are answer of first. Second bracket में है gradually, figures, recommendations, further, enterprise, wielded and elected and democracy. You can see the and write in your answer in your notebook. Next है rectify the error in the following pages. His 5 volumes dual arrive on. Arrival is error and arrived is correction. Because ये past का sentence है. His table, he started from the begin. Begin is beginning. Work is continue. So यहाँ पे beginning continuous होगा. Volume 1 take the history up to take is error and took is correction. The period of Asoka, volume 4, no error in this line. Up to the death of Aurangzeb. Dead is error and death is correction. Up to this period, history was no error in this line. As he know it, the change. No is error and new is correction. Evident has occurred in evident error and evidently is correction. The last volume. He thanked the girl polite. Polite is error, politely is correction. And come out, it was character. Character is error and character sketch is correction of him not to worry about where no error he would staying his means staying error stay correction. Concern was to make his way, made his error, make its correction. To the library of the ascetic society to solving the riddle, solving is error and solving is correction. Of history, grab a quick lunch, grab is error and grabbing is correction. At a restaurant, he made his way to the town hall. No error in this line. यहाँ पे थर्ड और फोर्थ दिया गया है, इसके आंसर आपको यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. Replacing phrases and idioms. फर्स्ट है lawyers are called to wind up the company, run, close, develop. तो इसमें कौन सा होगा close. तो आंसर आएगा lawyers were called to close the company. नेक्स्ट है the project was regulated to senior scientist. Interested, connected and supported. तो इसमें आएगा interested. The project was entrusted to senior scientist. थर्ड है the meeting will be an opportunity for everyone to give vent to their feelings. Promote, encourage, express. तो थर्ड में आएगा express. The meeting will be an opportunity for everyone to express their feelings. Fourth है the two dogs run amok in a school playground. Acted widely, acted in a funny way, barked loudly. Fourth में आएगा the two dogs acted widely in a school playground. Fifth the prime minister got a hostile reception at a farmers meeting. Warm, unfriendly and loving. तो यहाँ पे आएगा unfriendly. आंसर होगा the prime minister got a unfriendly reception at a farmers meeting. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टू फिफ्थ जो रिप्लेसिंग फ्रेज एंड इडियम्स थे उनके आंसर दिए गए हैं. पंचुएशन. Punctuate the following passages. This train goes to the Victoria terminus. I will take the Frontier Mail tonight out of Central. How? For goes it to buy What route Bombay to Delhi, went to Lahore and the Peshawar a long journey. I will reach Peshawar the day after tomorrow. तो आंसर होगा, तो ये किसी ने बोला है तो कॉमा में क्लोज है. दिस ट्रेन गोज टू द विक्टोरियम टर्मिनस. आई विल टेक द फ्रंटियर मेल टू नाइट आउट ऑफ द सेंट्रल, कॉमा क्लोज. हाउ फॉर डज इट गो, तो ये भी कन्वर्सेशन है. क्वेश्चन मार्क, क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है तो क्वेश्चन मार्क आएगा. बाई वॉट रूट, तो यहाँ पे भी कौन सा रूट है, तो ये क्वेश्चन किया गया है तो फिर से क्वेश्चन मार्क. और यहाँ पे उसकी बात है वो ख़त्म हो गई है तो कोमा क्लोज हो गया. बॉम्बे टू दिल्ली, देन टू लाहौर एंड द पेशावर, फुल स्टॉप. ए लॉन्ग जर्नी, आई विल रीच पेशावर द डे आफ्टर टुमारो. तो पूरा कन्वर्सेशन क्लोज हो जाता है यहाँ पे. इनडायरेक्ट नरेशंस, यहाँ पे एक डायलॉग दिया गया है उसको करना है इनडायरेक्ट में. इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन है उसको, जैसे यहाँ दिया गया है. डॉक्टर शेर सिंह बहादुर, आर यू देयर? शेर सिंह, माई फादर इज नॉट हियर बट आई एम शेर सिंह. डॉक्टर, यू आर द बॉय हु ब्रॉट द चाइल्ड इन लालदवनी. शेर सिंह, यस. डॉक्टर शेर सिंह बहादुर, योर ब्रदर विल लाइव, कम एंड सी. Answer. Doctor called out and asked if Sher Singh Bahadur was there. The boy replied that his father was not there and informed that he was Sher Singh. The doctor inquired if he was the boy who brought the child in from Laldwani. Sher Singh replied that he was addressing the boy as Sher Singh Bahadur. The doctor told him and his brother would live and he could go and see. नेक्स्ट है, लेडी, डू यू थिंक माई चिल्ड्रन टू आर इन्फेक्टेड? डॉक्टर, आई डोंट थिंक सो बिकॉज दे वर बोर्न बिफोर यू गेट इन्फेक्टेड. लेडी एंड माई हस्बैंड, क्वेश्चन मार्क. डॉक्टर, वाई डोंट यू कम एंड सी मी अगेन एंड ब्रिंग योर हस्बैंड विद यू. तो इसको करना है हमें इनडायरेक्ट. The lady asked the doctor if he thought that her children too were infected. The doctor assured her that he did not think so because they were born before she had got infected. The lady further inquired if her husband too was infected. The doctor advised the lady come and see him again, asked her to bring her husband with her. Transformation of sentence. The station was remarkable clean. Change to complex. That the station looked neat and clean was remarkable. Second, the Khan Sahib spoke a lot about his business. Change the voice. A lot was spoken by Khan Sahib about his business. Third, as he walked along Hornby Road, he found different set of shops. Make simple. While walking along Hornby Road, he found a set of shops. Fourth, I can't find anyone of that name here, any of the branches. Make affirmative. I am unable to find anyone of the name here or any of our branches. Fifth, they were accepted only to make the local center self-sufficient. So that का यूज़ करना है. उसके बाद sixth, Dada Saheb was regulated to the background and eventually retired from street political. Change simple. Seventh है, he entered the reading room and asked for a list of history books. Use no sooner than. इसका आंसर है, no sooner did he enter the reading room then he asked for a list of history books. यहाँ पे एट्थ है, द शहनशाह ऑफ दिल्ली वॉज नो मोर देन ए फिगर. यूज ओनली. नाइन्थ में, द दिल्ली सुल्तान सर्वाइव्ड इवन हिज ट्रांजिशन. यूज ऑल्सो. एंड टेंथ, ही हैड फेस्ड द पुणे ऑडियंस एट इट्स मोस्ट हॉस्टेलस कंडीशन. चेंज द डिग्री. 11th है, अनलिस द ट्रेन स्पीड अप it would not reach its destinations in time. Use if. उसके बाद 12th, Professor Gangadhar would not have been able to bear the shock if he had not been prepared. Use unless. 13th, she could have found Vinay Gaitonde's name in the list if it was there. Use unless. 14th, if the Peishwas did not want their own centers of technology to be set up, the East India Company would not have had the opportunity to extend its influence over them. Use unless. 15th है last, if Gangadhar Pant had no experience of speaking to 999 meetings, he would not have been able to face the hostel's audience use unless. Answer is unless Gangadhar Pant had the experience of speaking to 999 meetings, he would have not been able to face the hostel audience. So students, our exercise is completed. All exercise write in your notebook and learn also. Thank you.